Today, I'm going to share with you what I think is my most genius RV hack thus far, and it all has to do with my RV door. And this hack is going to be applicable for anybody with an RV, so stay tuned. Hi, I'm Randy, and I am so thrilled you're here. If you haven't done so already, please hit the subscribe button below so we can adventure together. What happens when you open your RV door? Does it have a mechanism to stay in place? If you've watched some of my previous videos, you will know that our window broke. The window busted right here. And this happened one day when I opened the door and the wind grabbed it and it slammed against the window, busting it. So we contacted our dealer to get a replacement window, but we're just getting around to replacing it now because first, before we replaced the window, I wanted to make sure that we had a good solution for the door. I want to figure out what we can do to make sure that when the door opens, it no longer will bang against the window. And the problem I have is the latch that came with the little guy Max that's supposed to go in here and there won't stay in. It's a piece of plastic that from day one has never stayed in. So we don't have anything to stop the door from slamming right now. Therefore, we didn't want to replace our window until this was solved. My first thought was just to replace it with another door latch similar to this one. Problem with that is I'm walking out the door and the wind grabs the door again. I'm not gonna have time to come out here, put my latch on, and make sure that the door doesn't hit the window. And that's exactly how the window broke in the first place. So this is the solution. And what's unique about this is that it uses a magnet to latch together. First, we're attaching the bracket to the RV. I'm going to put the door stopper on. And now we're going to do the same thing for the door latch. To stop the screw from unscrewing as we're traveling down the road, Tom's adding some silicone in there. And then you just screw that part of the latch right into the bracket. Look at how it catches with the magnet. I think it's gonna be just strong enough. Yeah, you just pull it to unlatch it.
So we're not hitting that window up there now?
Yep, we're not. The window's not gonna hit anymore.
When I do that.
Nope, the window's not hitting. And you just pull it apart. All right, let's open the door and see what happens. When you open the door, the magnet just catches it and it just latches. So look, it just latches. And then there's a little bit of give there as well. Oh, I think I'm gonna like this. You give it a little bit of a tug and it comes right off. Nice. And it's not gonna hit the window once the window gets replaced. I'm just gonna come out and fling the door open and see what happens. Oh yeah, that was nice. I just flinged it open gently and the magnetic latch caught it. Oh, this is gonna work fabulous. I think we're going to be really happy with the magnetic door stop instead of having a latch system. I think it's just going to be much easier. We won't have to worry about that third piece falling off like it did from the beginning. I think this is going to be a really good solution. I don't recall exactly how much the magnetic door latch was, but I will leave all of this information, including a link directly to this magnetic door latch, in the video description below. Project 1 Now complete. Now it's time to replace the window. Here's our replacement window. I think we paid about $230 for the replacement window from the dealership. First we gotta unscrew it.
Nah, we got lucky.
And the window just came right off. Once the window was unscrewed from these brackets, it just slid off so easily because up here on top there's nothing screwing the window in. It just slides in there. The window came with these brackets, which we've already got. So we're going to take these off, the replacement window, and keep them just in case one of them should break. Okay, it's time to put the new window on. Our new window is all installed and it looks beautiful. No more cracked window. And now when we open the door is no longer gonna hit the window.